Hello all, welcome again. And our today's topic is inheritance in C Sharp. This is the one of the main principle in the OPS concepts. Inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance means we are taking access data from one class to another class. Suppose this is the vehicle, and we in the car vehicle is a class, car class and truck class. There are two other class who is taking the different data from the vehicle. The vehicle is known as the parent class, and car and truck is the child class. We can also say the like the base class, vehicle is the base class, and derived, car and truck is the derived class. Okay, let's see in the example how we can achieve it in the C sharp. Suppose this is the class. Okay, let's create a class. I am creating a class vehicle, and just it has the properties name. Okay, now let's create another class car, and I just added, this is the semicolon we need to add, and just I am just typing something, console dot write line, this vehicle, this is the vehicle class name. I am just try to write name. Okay, and I added a method public void display. I'm just adding a method. Okay, so you can see here I created a class vehicle, and it has the property name, and I just one method, and I create another class car, and that inheriting we have to just write this one, and vehicle, it will inherit the all properties of the vehicle. If you does not write anything, still let's see, I am creating the object of the car class, car. Okay, Yeah, I am creating the object of the car class, and then car dot name I can set here BMW, and then console dot write car dot name. Even you can see here I am creating the object of car class. Name is not part of this class, it is part of vehicle. Because we are inheriting, then we can access the all members of the base class. You can see we can access and we can print. Now let's run. So this is called inheritance, inheriting the base class members or methods in the child class. Okay. Now let's create another class. Suppose I am creating electric car and inheriting car. Now suppose I added another method, show, and public string model, and I am typing here model. What it's happened? Electric car is inheriting the car, and car is inheriting the vehicle. That is called multi-level inheritance. Here is the only one level of inheritance, and here it is the multi-level. Electric car inheriting car, and car inheriting vehicle. So when we create the object of electric car, it can access this all members as well as this member also. Let's see. Electric car, I am creating the object. Now let's see. Car dot, sorry, car dot, you can see here name and model both I can access here. Car dot model also we can access here, right? I am setting car dot name and car dot model. You can see here I am creating the object of electric car, but it will access both, right? Now let's call car dot display and car dot show. Both method also I can access in electric car. You can see here. This is the vehicle name Tesla. This is car model S. So through the electric car object, I am accessing the both class car and vehicle, both class details like the members and methods both. So that is called multi-level inheritance, right? So what is the benefits? I think you are able to understood what is the inheritance. So what is the benefits, like the code reuse, reduce duplication, and it will be easy for maintainability process. It will be easy. Yeah, I think that's all for the inheritance topic. And okay, thank you all. If you guys any feel any topic you want, just please add a comment in the my videos. I will try to come up with that topic also. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.